What's going on, guys? I'm a little late checking in with you guys today. We totally kind of just went out and partied last night, rode around up, on the strip and stuff, hung out, got to meet a couple people, and we are at the beach right now, and I wanted to kind of update you guys and show you what we were doing out here. Yeah! Tanner's truck is so clean. But we're just hanging out on the beach, riding around. We're probably gonna go up and see if we can run into anybody. What is going on, guys? We are wrapping up the Daytona meet. My adventure down here has been awesome. I wanted to share something really quick with you guys. My buddy Pal from Norway is down here in Daytona, and he has stopped by, and you guys probably don't really know what's going on, but you should follow him on Instagram because he builds Duramaxes over in Norway, and he's over here in the States renting an Escalade, hanging out with us, and it's been awesome. Say what's up, bro! That is about the extent of it though, guys. We just had dinner, we've been hanging out, doing our thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this footage. That was a really quick, random splurt. I just wanted to throw that in here just kind of for my memories to, when I look back at these videos and remember when I got to meet my buddy from Norway. So that is a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll probably include maybe a little bit of more footage in here while we're driving or something, but that's a wrap. Later.